Hey, what's going on, my friend? Garrett here. What I'm going to reveal to you in this powerful video is exactly how you can start making $1,000 or more commissions on complete autopilot. Okay, maybe you've tried affiliate marketing before. You've gone out there, you've tried to promote a product, and you've struggled to make consistent commissions. Or maybe you're brand new and you're just looking for a way to generate income on a daily or weekly basis. Well, what I'm going to break down is the exact formula. Anyone, doesn't matter their background, doesn't matter their experience level, doesn't matter if they've tried and failed in the past. This, out of my 5 years full-time online, is the easiest way I've personally found. Now, on the screen, you can actually see just some of the results I've been able to generate. So you can see that, I am practicing what I'm preaching. You can see one day I made, $1,000. The next day I made $2,125. The next day I made $1,000. Now, these are just one or two, with the $2,000, that was actually 3 different payments, but it's very few commissions, right? So what I'm going to share with you is how you can actually start making commissions that are paying you bigger, okay? Because the fastest way to hit, let's say, $10,000 a month is to just promote a product that pays you $1,000 or $2,000 per sale and only get, 5 of them, than trying to generate, hundreds of sales at the $25 payout level, right? Now, who's this for? Well, this method is really for anyone if you want to make consistent commissions of $1,000 or more. Maybe you want to pay off bills, maybe you want to hit your income goal, maybe you just want to quit your job. This method is going to really work for you. Who's this also for? If you don't have much time in the day to put towards an income stream, maybe you're working a job right now, maybe you're very busy, you have kids, you have commitments and things like that. This method literally will take you about 30 to 60 minutes a day. And if you can find that before you go to work or at the end of the day or on your lunch break, then you can start to quickly generate results. And last but not least, if you want a newbie-friendly method to make money, again, this is not going to be complicated. It's very easy. It doesn't matter if you're not technical. You can actually do this. Okay, now the simple steps we're going to actually use to achieve this result is a few of them. Number one, we're going to find and promote high-ticket affiliate products. Again, these are products that pay us anywhere from $250 or higher, are typically classified as high ticket. Now, I want to share with this, if you've tried to promote products in the past, oftentimes people think that promoting a higher priced products is difficult or harder than lower price, but that's actually a myth. See, what you have to realize is a lot of gurus don't want you to know is it comes down to targeting, right? So when we do step 2, which is basically using very easy methods to get visitors to your affiliate referral link to start to make these commissions, what you're going to realize is by the right strategies, we can target and attract people that investing $1,000 into their business is really a no-brainer. And it really shouldn't be a no-brainer. Often people can find a credit card, they can borrow the money, they can really not go out for a month, and go out to bars and restaurants, and they can really save their money and invest into their future and into their family's future. And if the product is valuable enough, they will decide to invest, decide to get started, okay? And then the last step is we get paid, okay? And that's actually the step that I love, the step that you're gonna love when you apply this. So right now, I'm gonna hop on a whiteboard app online and break down visually the process so you can see it a little bit more clearly. And then towards the end, I'm going to recommend how to find these products and then how to get visitors to your affiliate link. Okay, so I'm on a whiteboard app right now and I want to break this down visually so you can see how this works. Now, there's really just 3 main pieces of this process to make $1,000 or more per commission easily and effortlessly. Now, the very first step is traffic. Okay, now we need to be getting visitors or traffic to the products that we're actually promoting as an affiliate. And when they buy through our affiliate link, we are going to get credit for that sale. And if you're in a good affiliate program, you can really earn good percent commissions and really start to create the results you want. Now, what I recommend you do is, because most people go out there and they want to do affiliate marketing in general, and they will send visitors directly to the sales page. This is not what you typically want to do. The reason being is most people will not decide to buy instantly. Most people will not instantly go to an order form, pull out their credit card, and get started. Most people need to be followed up. There's a rule in marketing that says, you need to expose people to a message about 7 to 12 times on average to get them to buy. So rather than sending people directly to a sales page and then they hit that page and leave forever, we want to send them to a capture page. Now, this is a page that basically will collect your prospect, the person that hit your page. It will collect their email address. Okay, and you've probably seen a capture page like this before in the affiliate program that I'm going to personally recommend that has high ticket products, a entire sales process. And again, there's going to be a link directly below in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, or there's going to be a button on this page where you can click and actually check out my #1 recommended affiliate program that's going to have all this done for you, okay, which I'll get to more information in a second. But what we want to do is send people to a capture page. Now, this looks something like this. It has a headline, okay, that builds curiosity, and then it has a box where you can submit your email, okay? And what you want to do is you want to send your prospects, send traffic, send visitors to a capture page, not an affiliate sales page. Now, again, if you're watching this and you think, well, I don't maybe have ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a $97 per month software that you can create capture pages. Maybe you're brand new. Maybe you don't want to shell out money on capture page software and all that stuff. Well, again, at the link below, and I'll share in a second more information, you'll be able to get access to a capture page built in to the affiliate program that will capture your prospect's information, and you don't have to worry about doing that yourself, okay? But that's the first step. You want to generate traffic to the capture page. Now, once a person puts their email address into that page, they become what's called a lead, okay? Now, a lead is just someone that's basically shown they're interested. Now, two things happen once someone puts their email in. #1, they get automatically redirected to the sales page. Now, this is the affiliate sales page. This is what they're now seeing. But the only difference is we're going to put a capture page before the sales page. And on the sales page, it usually is a video, and then there's a buy button where they can actually purchase. Now, the capture page also will hook up to something called an email autoresponder. This is a software that collects people's email addresses, and then you can set up automated follow-up messages in the form of emails and have them go out back to that lead, over and over about once a day until the person buys. Now, this process will happen automatically, okay? And then with the sales page, with a good affiliate program, they'll have multiple upsells and different income streams built in where you can earn at many different levels, okay? So again, I show here, you can have multiple products going all the way up to, $1,000, $2,000 per commission. And your work is still going to be focusing singly on getting visitors. Because once you get a good affiliate program or a good system in place that has the capture page, has follow-up emails built in, sending people back to the sales page, that a program that has a good sales page that's high converting, with multiple products built in, once you have all this in place, it becomes very easy to, in about 30 to 60 minutes a day, just focus on getting visitors to that link, okay, the capture page link, and then the link does everything else for you. So now that you see the full process, I want to reveal to you the personal affiliate program that will give you capture page, an incredible sales process, built-in follow-up emails, so you don't even have to write the emails. It will follow up for you, and then multiple different products to start promoting, okay? So what this system is basically called is the Profits Passport System. Maybe you've seen another one of my videos before, but the beautiful thing about this system is it has all the pieces in place for you. Okay, so if I scroll down, right, you're gonna see that it has 1 income stream, 2 income streams, 3, 4, 5, 6 different income streams, okay? Now, the way this works is basically you create an account inside of these different products by just simply, signing up here. Then once you sign up, you get an affiliate ID that codes the sale to you. What you do is you come back to this page, put your affiliate ID, this is mine right here, you'd put yours, and then save it. Now, once you do that with all of them, all you have to do is get people to this link. This is your custom affiliate link, okay? Now, where does this link take people? It takes them to this capture page, okay? And just like I showed here, the capture page. So once you get someone to your link here, they get taken to this page, they'll put their email in, and then they'll start going through this process. They'll watch this webinar. Okay, it's an hour-long webinar where David, the creator, breaks down how this business works. He explains the different income streams, how to position yourself into the different income streams. Okay, and then they will start going through the process, setting up their income stream while you're out with family. Maybe you're sleeping, maybe you're on a vacation spot. Wherever you are, people will start doing this on autopilot. Okay, and once they sign up and they join inside the different income streams, you will receive a commission. You will receive a payment however you set it up. Okay, some of these income streams you can get it through PayPal, Stripe, Cash App. There's a lot of ways to actually get paid when someone goes through and invests into the different income streams. So this is really, really powerful, and this is all I did, okay, to generate those sales right here. Okay, I just got people to this link. They went through the process, they invested into the different income streams, and I was waking up to commissions. Okay, now, again, there's going to be a link directly below this video where you can actually get taken to this page. You want to put your email in and you want to go through the process. Okay, look over it, read over the testimonials, make sure the system resonates, and then go ahead and set up your income streams. But I highly recommend you watch this hour-long webinar. Okay, David is going to break down more information on the different income streams so you can see how this done-for-you system works to start to get the most results as possible. With this system, we have people from all over the world that have made their first $500 commission, their first $2,000 commission, right? This system is absolutely incredible. And the only work you have to now do is get visitors, okay, from Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. There's lots of places with people that you can share your link. And then they'll go to the capture page and they'll start going through the process and making you money. Now, the last thing I want to cover, like I shared, is how do we start getting visitors to this link, okay? What I want to do is break down what you can start doing on Facebook, for example. Okay, so Facebook is one of the places that I personally promote on, and it's incredible because it's totally free. Almost everyone has a Facebook profile, and if you're watching this and maybe you don't want to promote a product on your profile, you can create a new profile. But if you go through, you're going to see that what I'm doing is basically piquing people's curiosity. So the biggest thing that's going to work when you go out there to promote your link is you don't want to just tell people, oh, this has 6 different income streams. It's called Profits Passport, blah, 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 because you're removing curiosity. The thing that's going to get people to want to rush to your link to find out more information is by leaving information out. Okay, so what you can do on Facebook is you can actually post a curiosity building type of post. So what I said in here was, doing what you want when you want. And I made a post where I was like, look, I didn't want to start an online biz to be stuck on my computer all day. I wanted freedom. Wake up when I wanted, make amazing memories with loved ones. I've been able to cut down my daily income producing tasks to 30 to 60 minutes a day. Okay, and then at the very end, so I'm piquing people's curiosity. I'm saying, hey, look, I can travel. I can, make money while I'm sleeping, right? And with this system, that's what you're able to say because it's true. This guy right here, he bought a Mercedes-Benz with the money that he was able to generate with the system. So you can say in posts on Facebook, hey, I found this new system. Now I'm able to travel because of it. And if it's not true, you don't want to say it. You can say, hey, now I'm able to earn, up to $2,000 commissions. And then at the very end, you want to give a call to action. This is telling people to reach out to you or comment under your posts for more information. Okay, so basically I say here, that's why so many of my students are seeing life-changing results. If you're serious about learning how to do this yourself, then message me. Always excited to show people how to easily make money online while still having a life. Have a blessed one. Okay, and a lot of people read this. Okay, sounds very interesting. Okay, so this person's interested, right? Would this work for any company? Okay. Yes, the methods inside, the methods shared inside are powerful and you can apply them to any company. Okay, so this person's interested, right? So the post worked and you can do this. right? You don't have to get results. You want to just share a curiosity building type of post, story post. You can share, hey, I just started this business. I love XYZ. Share a little bit about your story. Share why what you liked about this. Maybe even in this video that you're watching now from me, maybe you like the ability to make money while you're sleeping. Well, you could join this business, okay, right here, set up your system and then post on Facebook, hey, I just came across this new system. It allows you to make money while you sleep. We have people that are buying a Mercedes-Benz. We have people that are, you can use these results, leverage other people's results. We have somebody that made $7,000 in 7 days. If you're interested, comment info below or reach out to me for more information. That's all you have to do. And then people will comment, they'll reach out. I have 17 messages, if you can see that are unread so far. Okay, people asking me about my business, people ask me about this system. And then all I do is I send them to this page. That's literally all you have to do. Okay, and once they go to this page, they'll put their email in, and then David will take over and do all the work, all the explaining for you. Okay, so if you're interested, my friend, go down below and watch that webinar. Okay, it's an hour-long webinar. Put forth the time. In 5 years online, I've never seen a more simple way. You see the process. It's very easy. It has all the pieces. If you try to go out there and find other affiliate programs, it's not going to often have capture pages. It doesn't have follow-up emails built in. This has all the work done for you. And getting people to your link is very easy, and they cover way more training on that webinar. Okay, that hour-long webinar from David. Watch that. He reveals more methods to get people to your link, as well as when anyone signs up under me, I shoot them an email of more training on how to get people to your link very easily. You can use this same process and do it on Instagram. Okay, you can post a picture and say, hey, I just found this new business. DM me if you're interested. You can post this on Twitter. It's a lot shorter, but hey, if you're interested, go to this link, okay, and you can share your link. So go down below if you're interested, plug in, watch that webinar, and get started, my friend. And I promise you, you will start to be shocked at the results that we have. We have people all over the world succeeding, young people, older people, brand new, seasoned marketers, all plugging into this. It's absolutely incredible, and I really think you're going to like that. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will catch you on the other page. Take care.